Everybody, today we're going to be talking about the Forex market. The Forex market is probably one of the best ways to have a bigger return on your investment, but it has huge volatility, meaning higher risk. So, what is the Forex market? Forex simply means foreign exchange, meaning the changing of a currency to another currency. So when you trade on the forex market, we're gonna have currency pairs. For example, like AUD, EUR. This is a very familiar currency pair which reflects the Australian dollar to the European euro. So this is one currency pair that has very relevance in the market. Seven currency pairs are the major ones with the highest liquidity. So, anyways, when we go back to the forex market, who invests in the forex market? The people that invest in the forex market. Let's talk about that first. What kind of people, what kind of institutes invest in the forex market? First off, the biggest investors in the forex market are banks. Banks. Banks are probably the biggest investors in the forex and foreign exchange market because the majority of their works, which focus on international relations, is related to foreign exchange. So banks have a huge value and they actually trade with higher volumes, and of course even in the weekends they trade in the weekends. The forex market is open 24/5, meaning 24 hours every day on the weekdays from Monday to Friday, but is closed to retail buyers and sellers on Saturdays and Sundays, but is open for banks. So there might be a change on volume and pricing when we go on from Friday to Monday because of the banks trading and the aspect. So, anyways, the banks are the major traders, and also governments, and the governments have access to the foreign market and higher value. Then we go on to the next part, which are hedge funds. Hedge funds. Hedge funds, are just funds that invest in the stock market or anything with return on investment with statistical and fundamental analysis. So the hedge funds are the second highest investors in the forex market. And when we go on to the next part, it is the retail buyers or the people, you, me, and everybody else. One of the most famous mm, investors in the foreign market is George Soro. George Soros actually made $1 billion in 1 month just by forex trading. Isn't that impressive? He is one of the most phenomenal forex traders in history. He has the most familiar name in the market. So he's a part of the forex market too. As a retail buyer and seller, he has his own hedge fund, but has been investing in his own times with his own account. So more like a dealer. So that's about it. These are the basic factors in the forex market. More about lot size, how to invest, buying and selling, and other factor will be explained in the next video. Thank you.